Alright, these are the elevators here at the Kavia Hotel in Monterrey Centro. We're gonna go down, and unfortunately we're gonna have to go down because there's music got up here. So we'll go down to P1. So these are KONE Ecodisc, and fortunately we're gonna have to just go down to the parking level because the higher floors do require a key card. But here at parking level 1, this down here is the parking garage. Let's go up to the lobby now. Yeah, see? You need your key card. None of the floors are accessible except the lobby one, but we're gonna get your cab view. Such a nice KONE elevator. Look up the ceiling. Hey! Here are your fixtures, and there's the indicator. We're gonna get the other one now. We're gonna get this right card here. There goes that one, and all right. See, this one should come up soon, and so let's get you out here. Out there is the Hotel Monterrey where we filmed the Otis Gen 2 elevator, the Otis 2000 VF elevators from 1998. And right here is the right here is the Gamma Hotel where we filmed the Dover elevators, and out there is the Crown Plaza where we filmed the Otis luxury elevators. And here's your view of the beautiful Christmas tree, and unfortunately I want the other one. So just gonna send that one away and try to catch this one. So yeah, let's hope this one comes up. It's coming. Here's this one. I may have to point the camera now because there may be somebody on it. All right, but here's your hotel logo. Now the P1, and door close button works. So here we go. Here at parking level 1, and see, all the other floors are locked off. Sube. ¿Subes?
Sí.
Okay. Okay. ¿Ten buen día?
Bueno, gracias.
No. All right, we're gonna go to parking level 1, and we're gonna end it there. So let's get your cab view. Really like these KONE elevators. Again, look in the mirror. Hey, look up the ceiling. Hello. Right here are your fixtures, and there's the key dispenser, and there's key sensor. I'm sorry, and there's your indicator. Here at parking level 1, and these elevators are from 2018. So yeah, guys. There you have it now. There it goes, and that's it.